Good evening, everybody. This is a companion video to our last video, changing tyres on a Tesla Model 3. If you might have noticed, back then we used rubber puck. These ones right here, they're basically just a solid block of rubber, little O-ring on the top there, so they don't fall out of the car when you put them up in the hole where the jacking is. Or when you're jacking the car up on a hoist or a platform hoist like these ones, use these. We're tight asses. These come from eBay. I'm not sure if Tesla sell them. Maybe I should have looked them up before I made this video. But anyway, quick video just showing how they were used to jack the car up before changing the tyres.
Is they gonna tie or just these
They're
things?
just pushing. Yep.
Just that, like that?
Yep.
Okay. With the billet hoist, so we supplied for these cars.
Everything's new as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you have it. Quite easy really, aren't they? Handy thing to have in the glove box, or the frunk, or the boot, wherever you want to keep them. Yeah, just ensure your battery stays safe when we're doing any work on the car with the jack. So once again, got this far, thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I hope to see you all again in the next video. And usual like, comment, subscribe. Oh, Cybertruck t-shirt. Thank you, bye.